off, producer?
Yes, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wagwan.
Alright.
Wagwan. Producer is going to check. TikTok, big up on yourself. Welcome to Sunday Night Live. This is my own.
Little left in that.
Peace and peace.
Little left in that.
Because I can't check your frat.
Yes, you can, because this is empty. All you see this, and little left in this. So the winner of this will be the ladies.
Guzzler them, you know.
Yo,
them terrible guzzler them.
The game of the night is unscrambling the names of countries.
You don't know.
And we have
7.
7 countries. One of them, which if you guys tie, it will be
The
tiebreaker.
tiebreaker.
Right.
Unscrambling the name of Alright, let's do this.
Hi. Alright. So the first one.
Show them first and then.
Alright.
No, you get
Step back a little bit.
That's it. Put on your finger, entirely.
Alright.
Come on, later.
So people,
People are unscramble the country name.
yeah,
See it?
unscrambling the name of countries.
Hiya. Oh yeah, show your TikTok people them first.
Turn that around, let me see.
Yeah, come right to some let me see.
Portugal. That? Portugal.
Just the other
Portugal. One.
One that.
Boop. Boop.
them dead.
Alright.
TikTok first, then.
Next one, people. They must sit wrong side signal, so they know say, you know what I mean?
You still have to go figure it out.
India.
Sir.
That's a tie.
Another first.
No, cut it out.
That's a tie.
That's okay.
Alright.
Love, Marvelous says loving that headband, Shan.
Thank you.
The other woman is man.
See it?
Alright. She's moving over to TikTok now. Gonna show TikTok and she's moving over to us. Ah,
Quick.
what is that on the end here? So E?
What?
Korea.
Here you go.
Ah!
Hers, what's the score?
2-1.
2-1.
2.5 to half.
If so be the if it is tie and you're giving them a point, it will be 3-1.
Me still a lead.
Yeah.
2-1.
2-1. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Yes, Napa, go away.
Alright.
They might stop snapping up.
Save that look on him face round there, so.
Oh God, surface freeze.
Wicked.
What?
See now looking at chat too. Cause sir, look over TikTok, you know. Trot.
Chat, come, we need to help with this.
Yeah.
Minion? No.
Me.
No.
Wow.
I would country that.
You trust me. Some of them country are full of fat.
Come again.
What? Marvin. How you know this?
Yeah.
Yemen.
There you go.
That is it?
Yeah.
Bomba.
Well then, girl. Well then.
Have a chat, tell me.
Trot.
Marvelous, big up yourself. Thank you.
That's fine. Then trot can help there.
2-2.
Yeah.
Alright.
Truck, no fear help when still in a
That'd
but
be
that's
nice.
fine.
No.
Girls, you're bad panda one day. Yeah.
I never remember said
You have
somebody.
one country name, so
Yeah.
Yemen.
Every time I'll come out and say, yeah.
But I must say, yeah. Gotcha. Don't hold back, youth.
Oh, Jesus.
What
Come
that
on,
youth?
come.
What that?
Jesus, Father. Pakistan.
There you go. That's 3-2.
Xpressionzja.
Right now, I feel like Kishi.
Yeah, man.
Thing just look oblique.
See a trot, I tell you. Make sure you look on for your trot.
Yo. 3-2.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Vitamin. Yay, Vietnam.
You see where with the lotion?
Yeah.
Cause so you right, it look like vitamin for 3 though.
Oh, you bad as you bad over here, you know. I told me not check for me the thing. you know.
Alright, so it was
4-2.
3-2.
4-2.
4-2.
Yeah.
4-3. It's done this side.
4 what? Yeah. I always get 4-3. I don't know.
4-2.
It's 4-2.
Yeah.
So should have technically should have
We just have to guess this. See,
Yeah.
Madrid.
What?
No, Madrid.
Okay. Why would I give such an easy one for bonus? See.
Wakanda. Sorry.
Ciao.
It's a under, but not Wakanda.
You do.
Yeah.
What is that, a D?
Yeah.
Come chat. Come help me.
People will get stumped to that one, then I throw mash up in my head. Rwanda. Rwanda.
There you go.
Big up yourself.
Yes.
But me still win.
It's Rwanda, not Uganda.
Yeah.
Rwanda.
There you go.
Yeah. Alright, so people, yeah.
Go with God.
Lady are going good.
Them
Lady
dead.
are going good.
Trusting God.
Trust in God.
Them dead.
What?
Yeah.
Why?